Hi everyone, my name is Gabby and I'm from Esperasental City, grade 10.1. So today I'm going to do an experiment. Do you guys like to eat candy? If yes, then you are watching the right video because in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own rock candy. So this experiment aims to know how the amount of sugar affects the growth of crystals by measuring the weight of crystals. Rock candy is made from crystallized sugar. Crystallization is a separation technique where a solid phase is separated from a mother liquid. Therefore, crystallization can also be seen as a way to obtain solid products. There are some factors that can affect crystallization process, such as the amount of dissolved material, pressure, evaporation, and temperature. In this experiment, sugar crystals are formed as a result of supersaturated solution. A solution can be determined as a supersaturated solution when no more sugar can be dissolved. And in a supersaturated solution, the sugar molecules will bump into each other because there is less space to move around. And when they bump into each other, the sugar molecules will end up sticking together, and that's how the crystals grow. Also, based on the research, more sugar dissolved in water means more pressure. And the bigger the sugar crystals will grow. Therefore, it is hypothesized that the more sugar added to the solutions, the bigger the crystals will grow.
Now, let's see the tools and materials needed for this experiment. So, for making the rock candy, we need a pot, sugar, 240 milliliters of plastic cup, spoon, digital kitchen weight scale, clothespin, water, chopstick, measuring cup, and also stove. After preparing all the tools and materials, now let's start making the rock candy. First, prepare 300 grams of sugar. Next, prepare 100 ml or 3.38 oz of water. Next, pour the 100 ml of water into a pot. Turn on the stove and put the pot on it. Wait until the water boils. Slowly, pour 300 grams of sugar and mix it with a spoon until all the sugar has dissolved. Remove the pot from the stove and let it cool down to the room temperature. While waiting for the solution to cool down, take a chopstick and measure the weight. Don't forget to write it down in a paper so you will not forget. Next, dip half of the chopstick into the sugar water solution, roll it in some sugar, and let it cool completely. After the solution already cooled down, pour the sugar water solution into the 240 ml plastic cup. Put the chopstick into the plastic cup and make sure that it's hanging straight down the middle without touching the sides. Put the plastic cup in a place with room temperature and make sure that the cup is not exposed to direct sunlight. Don't forget to make sure that the chopstick is still hanging straight down the middle without touching the sides. Wait for 5 to 7 days. So this is my rock candy after 6 days. Now I'm going to measure the growth of crystals by measuring the weight of the chopstick with crystals on it. Also, don't forget to add the weight of the crystals on the top and bottom of the solution. Last, subtract the final result with the original weight of the chopstick. As it can be seen, this is the result of making our own rock candy.
Since I also tried to make the rock candy with 5 different amount of sugar, such as 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of sugar, 200 grams of sugar, 250 grams of sugar, and 300 grams of sugar, I found out that the hypothesis is valid because the graph shows positive correlation between the amount of sugar and the growth of crystals. So that's it for rock candy. I hope this video can make you understand about the process of making rock candy and also crystallization process. Thank you for watching. Bye!